Chairman,
Brian,
champ,
uyazi ngiyishamp namhlanje.
2026, 2025, 2026 champion.
Although inhliziyo yami ngingene eMbombela Stadium isimoshakele. Let me say kwi accident ebekade khona la mase songena eMbombela kumabhakaniya. Let me wish speed recovering. Because I don't know kwezinye ukuthi mhlambe egcine kwenzeni kodwa bengibabone belimele kanle ndlela. I was so touched. Ngothando lwamabhakaniya sithi sizobabeka emithandazweni. Kodwa ke okubalekile lokho kwinda sondela kwinda nginamhlanje ngibonga mahala ngizokubhatala imali mfowethu. Ngangithe kubhlungu kabi ukuthi sidliwe iSundowns ngoba sokuzosiphoqa ukuthi sithandaze nje. Ola mthuthu ukuthi basenzele ifavor. Sibathandazile ke Shemba yenzile ifavor. Asibonge iRichards Bay ebambe iSundowns. Sibonge iStellenbosch esibambe iSundowns. Sibonge iKaizer Chiefs ebambe iSundowns. Bese TS Galaxy sizocela ukhoza kule bethu ayithathe namhlanje imiliyoni elilodwa ayodonate ngalo kwaSukazi because ukuyishaya iSundowns uvele wayinqinda amandla wayiqeda nya and uthe mashaya uyazi wenze njani bheka umuntu wenze njani it obit umahamba nendlwane namhlanje la kusasila mabefaka irequest yokucela indawo ukuthi bazoyihostela lapha yathi anjuka umuntu engishaye ama computer that no I will announce manje let me play with Teppan City sathi ngqi Teppan City kwaba it wrong but okay now sengayiprocessa ke manje
asambeni sembobo.
The venue for Obit College is going to Mbombela. Guess what? Iparesi MTN 8 ithathele kuphi?
Embombela.
Iparesi ivale ngikhuluma ngale kuzona le season mina. Mabhakane ibani kwi platform right. Ningakho masibuya sizovala iBetway. Sithathela sifala kuphi?
Embombela.
Sho ukuthi happiness yethu iqale eMbombela sazoyifana eMbombela of which kunalaba mfowethu angithandi ukubabiza amagama balo kuye kubuye kuphoqa kunalaba mfowethu labathi is your legend ne call no khona lo lapha wathi wanu junior wathi white blonde uJunior Khanyi bathathe kancane usibisi. And then ngamkhona order uJunior Khanyi ethatha kancane usibisi mayo representer iPirates kwi-national team. Kanti that guy iPirates imthathe kwi-Arrows leader. Ku-Pirates manje kule season unama cup awu 3 awaphakamisini. Official uyabona lo mfana ukuthi uzovala irecord likaLucky Likhwati. If mayiqala season ezayo bowa defender nama cup triple back to back seliyalimani igama laLikhwati sesiphamisa kakhulu likaSibisi kodwa nje leadership kaSibisi siyayibonga ukuthi egcineni abebemnyanisa bonke uSibisi ube noNkulunkulu wakhe wanedlozi lakhe because akubhlungu ukuthi uma uyiformer player unyansi player currently sadlala elisase fieldini mangathi manje sicount ama cap ubani umuntu wakho Junior Khanyi lo Junior Khanyi mangasithi manje ake count ama cup ama representative wekuya kwi national team uzothola uSibisi usiyamshaya 10-0 kodwa still we are blame let me straight to Junior Khanyi swallow your pride Twana analyze ibhola amajita adlala emva kwakho umona mfana isitha esikhulu jealous is an animal dangerous. The animal dangerous jealous. Please. Now iPirates is our champions. We Betway. And you again. Bo against ukuthi iPirates futhi ingaba mashamps. Namhlanje amathe kuwe aphindele kaSifuna. Ya muthe dubula magazine safa indlala. Muthe siphamisa sinyo. Guess what? Isizini yakhe yokuqala usenamakapa amathathu kwaPirates mawufike waziphatha kahle umlando uyasenzela. Pirates is a history team always. Allow me to say if Paris is a dangerous truck, let it kill me once. Because I love Pirates. I love Paris more than anything. Masangizovala. Allow me ngibongele bonke abalandeli abaphume all out ukuzokwenza isold out eMbombela. IParis iqala ngesold out eArena yabuya yaseMbombela yazovala ngesold out. Kumnandi kwaParis kubisi konke kuza kahle. Asaziyo ngoba ibhola linaqinisa ukuthi le season esizoyiqala iyoba njani ngoba ischeme sanamhlanje thina sabalandeli sasibophelele sethi scheme. Besibheke ukuthi uMakhopa uzaqala igame dololo. Sibheke ukuthi uMakhawula uzaqala igame. Ngibona uMakhawula ebhandisha isandla edansa nathi kangasazi ke manje. Kathi thenga ngaqala sisitshela uTito ukuthi uzoqala igame dololo. But what I told to supporters, guys, let's support any player enikezwe starting lineup. Yeah, asingasamane manje sigesa ama starting lineup ka coach ne management yeParis. Any player abalifitela abakwi starting lineup, let's support them, guys. Ngoba njenga sabalandeli lama players ukudlala irole yethu ka plan number 12 is very, very important. And remember, Priam, Tina Balandeli, some volunteer until 6 feet underground. Management and players, they are got paid. Tina Ayatin, I benefit as if now, you never send them cash. Happiness. The happiness would must win or something. You only benefit it. Paris were always humble before it. Emnyama siyabonga bafowethu masanibuyela ezindlini nibuya back lapha nihlala khona drive safe bafowethu and njenga siyivala season please bafowethu abalandeli beParis amadoda aqotho asibashaya bomama abomama siyabahlonipha manje na let's go and siyo cruiser nabo mama bethu siyo manje unkosikazi wakho umkhiphe isise time na ukuthi unkosikazi umkhiphe isizini ivaliwe ukumphenjele lo lathando so that mayibuya isizin iba open umama akwazi ukukhulula uyo support ibhola. What's a Pirate?
Always a Pirate.
Anengibongiseni bo sithi sekuze wahlanga halala anibongiseni bo sithi Seni bo sithi awu sekuze wahlanga halala anibongiseni bo sithi halala anibongiseni bo sithi awu sekuze wahlanga halala anibongiseni bo sithi halala shutera samaya Arwina ligi barsupaga minwana Arwina kefu barshuda kabutsotsi Shutera zama Mutoko